How to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. In this video, I'll show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account without permanently deleting it. Start by opening the Instagram app on your Android phone or iPhone and go to your profile page. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Account Center. Next, tap Manage Accounts, then select Manage. Now, tap Deactivation or Deletion and choose the Instagram account you want to deactivate. Select Deactivate Account and tap Continue. Instagram will show you some important information about what happens when your account is deactivated. Your profile, posts, stories, and followers will be hidden until you reactivate your account by logging back in. You'll be asked to choose a reason for deactivation and enter your Instagram password to confirm the process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deactivation. That's it. You've successfully learned how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. You can reactivate it anytime by simply signing back in. If you found this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.